हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आय एम मुकुंदा माळी। या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 8वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 4.2 पी व्ही सिंधू अँड आयकॉन ऑफ सक्सेस या लेसनचे मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स व इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत। त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा। वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। पी वी सिंधु एन आइकॉन ऑफ सक्सेस। मार्जिन क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट वाज पी वी सिंधूज आउटस्टँडिंग अचीवमेंट इन 2016? 2016 मध्ये पी व्ही सिंधूची उल्लेखनीय कामगिरी काय होती? आन्सर, पी व्ही सिंधू ओन सिल्वर मेडल ॲट 2016 रिओ समर ऑलिम्पिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अराउंड व्हाट एज डिड सिंधू स्टार्ट हर अचीवमेंट्स इन बॅडमिंटन? सिंधूने कोणत्या वयात बॅडमिंटनमध्ये आपल्या कर्तृत्वाची सुरुवात केली होती? आन्सर, अंडर 10 कॅटेगरी सिंधू स्टार्टेड हर अचीवमेंट इन बॅडमिंटन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट वॉज सिंधूज फर्स्ट विन ॲट इंटरनॅशनल लेवल? आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर सिंधूचा पहिला विजय कोणता होता? आन्सर, सिंधू ओन अ ब्रॉन्झ मेडल ॲट द 2009 सब ज्युनियर एशियन बॅडमिंटन चॅम्पियनशिप्स हेल्ड इन कोलंबो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, बिफोर विनिंग द सिल्वर मेडल इन द रिओ ऑलिम्पिक्स इन 2016 व्हॉट डिड शी विन? 2016 मध्ये रिओ ऑलिम्पिक्समध्ये रौप्य पदक जिंकण्यापूर्वी सिंधूने काय जिंकले होते? आन्सर, बिफोर विनिंग द सिल्वर मेडल इन रिओ ऑलिम्पिक्स सिंधू ओन द मलेशिया मास्टर्स ग्रँड प्रिक्स गोल्ड वुमन्स सिंगल्स टायटल। शी हॅड डिफेटेड स्कॉटलँड्स क्रिस्टी गिलमोर इन द फायनल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, नेम द 2 ग्रेट ऑनर्स दॅट सिंधू हॅज रिसीव्ड? सिंधूला मिळालेले 2 विशेष सन्मान आपल्याला या प्रश्नात लिहायचे आहेत। आन्सर, 1 अर्जुन अवॉर्ड इयर 2013, 2 पद्मश्री 2015, 3 राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवॉर्ड 2016। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट डिफरन्स डू हर पेरेंट्स मेक वेन दे अटेंड हर टुर्नामेंट्स? सिंधूच्या खेळांच्या सामन्यांना तिचे आईवडील हजर राहिल्यामुळे कोणता फरक पडतो? आन्सर, वेन सिंधूज पेरेंट्स अटेंड हर टुर्नामेंट्स दे टेल हर व्हॉट शी इज डुईंग. हर फादर गिव्ज हर अ समरी ऑफ हाऊ शी प्लेज अँड दॅट इज व्हेरी हेल्पफुल टू हर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, हाऊ कॅन वन कम आउट ऑफ फेल्युअर ऑर लॉस अकॉर्डिंग टू सिंधू? सिंधूच्या मतानुसार एखादा खेळाडू अपयश किंवा पराजय यातून कसा बाहेर पडू शकतो? आन्सर, अकॉर्डिंग टू सिंधू, if he or she is one of the top players and does not play well and loses in the first or second round, he naturally feels bad, but he needs to come out of the situation and then practice hard and identify his or her mistakes and learn from it. Of course, it takes time to come out of it, but he or she need to cope with. English workshop. Question number 1, complete the words by filling in the missing letters. Answers are given directly. A, enhance, feature, launch, noteworthy, mentor, identify. B, make as many 3-letter and 4-letter words from the word contemporary. Answer, 3-letter words caught, nor, pot, net, ten, not, nap, etc. 4-letter words caught, cone, team, poor, tier, more, camp, port, Rome, norm, moon, etc. Question number 2. Make sentences of your own using the following phrases or idioms. A. To enhance further. Answer. Ramesh worked hard to enhance further his skills in Indian classical music. B. To launch. B. Being a great producer, Mahesh wants to launch his son as a hero in his film. C. To create history. Answer. Dara Singh created history by winning world's freestyle wrestling. D. Push the envelope. Answer. Virat Kohli has been pushing the envelope like no batsman had done before in the history of Indian cricket. E. Week in and week out. Answer. It's impossible for any man to be successful week in and week out. F. To come out of. Answer. It's not easy to come out of the natural calamity like earthquake. Question number 3. Prepare a profile of PV Sindhu using the following points. खालील मुद्द्यांचा वापर करून सिंधूचे संक्षिप्त चरित्र आपल्याला या प्रश्नामध्ये लिहायचे आहे. सिंधूज प्रोफाइल. फुल नेम पुसरला वेंकट सिंधू. डेट ऑफ बर्थ द इयर 1995. फादर PV रमन. मदर P. विजया. नेटिव ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. स्टार्टेड बैडमिंटन at the age of 8. फर्स्ट कोच महबूब अली. सेकंड कोच पुलेला गोपीचंद. फर्स्ट मेजर अचीवमेंट एज जूनियर द फिफ्थ सर्वो ऑल इंडिया रैंकिंग चैंपियनशिप फॉर अंडर 10 कैटेगरी. फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल विन ओन अ ब्रांज मेडल एट द 2009 सब जूनियर एशियन बैडमिंटन चैंपियनशिप held in Colombo. Honors received Arjun Award 2013, Padma Shri 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2016, Great win in 2016, won silver medal in the finals in the Rio Olympics. Her great strengths, her attitude and the never say die spirit. Question number 4. Answer in short in your own words. 1. What made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8? Answer. Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001 inspired and made Sindhu take up badminton at the age of 8. Question number 2. What were Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old? Answer. Sindhu's achievements till she was 14 years old. 1. 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. 2. The single title at Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. 3. She won doubles titles at the IOC All India Ranking, Krishna Khetan All India Tournament, the Sub Junior Nationals and the All India Ranking. 4. Sindhu won the gold medal in under 14 category at the 51st National School Games in India. Question number 3. What history was created by PV Sindhu in 2016? What was her victory in the following year? Answer. Sindhu created history by reaching the finals after beating Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the women's single semi-final in the Rio Olympics. She won a silver medal in the finals. Gold was taken by Spain's Carolina Marin. Later, she defeated Carolina Marin and won 2017 India Open Super Series title. Question number 4. What are the positive character traits of PV Sindhu? Answer. The most striking feature in Sindhu's game is her attitude and the never say die spirit. Question number 5. What role do Sindhu's parents play during her important matches? Answer. When Sindhu's parents attend her important matches, they tell her what she is doing. Her father gives her a summary of how she plays, and that is very helpful to her because, as outsiders who look at her game know more about her errors or faults, her parents can show or describe exactly where she goes wrong in the game, which she may not notice easily. Question number 6. What message does Sindhu convey in the last paragraph? Answer. According to Sindhu, if you are one of the top players and do not play well, lose in the first or second round, you naturally feel bad, but you need to come out of the situation and then practice hard and identify your mistakes and learn from it. Of course, it takes time to come out of it, but you need to cope with. Sindhu conveys this message in the last paragraph. Question number 5. Imagine that PV Sindhu has recently won very important tournament at international level. Frame an email on behalf of your school to congratulate her. Use the proper email format. मित्रांनो, पुढील प्रमाणे आपल्याला ईमेल तयार करायचा आहे. Language study. Question number 1. Coordination. Observe the clauses in the following sentences. 1. He is intelligent and he is hardworking. 2. Asif was tired but he could not rest. 3. You can go for a walk or you can exercise at home. 4. Seema has recovered from fever so she can attend school. Each of the above sentences have clauses which do not depend on each other for complete sense. They are called independent or coordinate clauses. They are joined by conjunctions like and, but, or, so. Such conjunctions are called coordinators. Question number 2. Pick out the coordinate clauses and encircle the coordinator. 1. She bagged a silver medal and she found a place in the national team. 2. PV Sindhu is an ex-shelter but she was born to volleyball players. 3. You must play well or you lose the first round of play. 4. My parents point out my flaws so I can improve my game. I hope friends, तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.